So, question number one and two will be for classes 1 and 2. So, all those 3 and above are requested not to participate. Classes 1 and 2, these questions are especially for you. So, please try to answer. No mass answering, okay? Question number 1 is, who is known as the father of the Indian space program? If you want a hint, I can give you. A space center is named after him, and this is the person, the picture of the person. A space center is named after him in Tirunelveli. Okay, then so no one knows the answer. Try your wildest guess. It might be correct. Guess. Someone? Okay then. Class 3 to 5. Can any one of you answer? 3 to 5. You're open to answer. It's his name is used in a space center located in Tirunelveli. You might be really familiar with the name. Another clue, VSSC. Okay then, let's move on to the answer then. The answer is Vikram Sarabhai, Dr. Vikram Sarabhai. I don't think I need to explain who that is. We are all familiar with the person. So let's move on to the next question. And number 2, this is also for classes 1 and 2 at first. We'll pass on to 3 to 5 if they are not able to answer. Explain the images shown in the display. A hint is they are related to animals, left behind by animals. One or two. Yes, come here. Stage.
Come.
Okay, that was close enough. And the answer is the footprints of a horse, chicken, and cow. A big round of applause for her for guessing. The answer is correct. Let's move on to the next question. That's question number 3. This question is open to all those classes included in the primary section from 1 to 5. What was the name of India's first satellite? It's named after a famous person from ancient India who was related to space. Classes 1 to 5. That's correct.
Aryabhatta.
That is the correct answer, guys. Aryabhatta is the correct answer. Let's move on to question number 4. That was a really great guess. Question number 4. Identify the famous scientist known for inventing telephone. I'll give you a clue in the form of a sentence. Alexander the Great loved graham crackers. Does it ring any bell? That's your clue.
Rahman.
The full name is in the sentence I provided. I'll repeat it once more. Alexander the Great loved eating Graham crackers. Ring any bell?
Come on.
Yes.
Alexander?
Yes, that's correct. Alexander Graham Bell is the correct answer.
Good.
Okay, no. That's one person. So, Dr. Homi J. Baba. Not. Now, let's move on to the next section, which is the secondary section from classes 6 to 8. So, all the other sections are asked to remain silent. Question number 1. Okay, question number 6 of the whole quiz. Identify the famous Indian scientist in the picture. He is known as the father of Indian chemistry. He discovered mercurous nitrite. Classes 6 to 8. Class 7s might have this person to study. I'll move on to the answer. Answer is Acharya Prafulla Chandra Ray. He contributed a lot to Indian chemistry and was also the person who founded Bengal Chemical and Pharmaceutical Works, which was the first pharmaceutical company in India. So he's really under about him. Moving on to the next question. Question number 7. What is the name of the DRDO developed light combat aircraft LCA? It's a delta wing single engine aircraft. 6 to 8. Please try to answer it. You might have heard about it somewhere. There are prizes for the answers, okay? The Sanskrit translation for the name is radiance. About this aircraft. 6 to 8. Come on, someone. We'll be quickly moving to the answer from now on. So please try to answer if you know, or just give me a wilder guess. Let's move on to the answer then. Developed by HAL. Moving on to the next question. Question number 8. Which Indian scientist is known for contributions to the Green Revolution? He recently in 2024 got awarded the Bharat Ratna as well. His daughter received it. Okay, we have a participant.
MS Swaminathan.
That is exactly correct. Please try to answer more like him. It might just be correct and you might get a prize as well. So it's Dr. MS Swaminathan. Next question. Question number 9. Identify the famous scientist who discovered penicillin in 1928. Come on quickly. 6 to 8.
Come on. Be fast.
We might have to study about him. Yes, come in.
Alexander Fleming.
That's correct. It's Alexander Fleming.
Alexander Fleming.
That's correct. Sir Alexander Fleming is the correct answer. Moving on to the next question. Okay, this is a good one. Atal Innovation Mission in 2024 collaborated with which company to establish Frontier Technology Labs, FTLs, in schools? This is a famous company which most of us are familiar with. We use it daily, their products in our mobile phones, and you might just have used it yesterday. The company is really famous. It's an essential part of everyone's life nowadays. 99% of them, I'm pretty sure. Okay then. Any guesses? Wildest guesses? Come on. It's okay. Come here. It's really simple. It was already in the symbol as well. Anyways, moving on to the next question. Okay, that was the last question, unfortunately. Now moving on to the next section, senior secondary section. Be more active, okay? First question for senior secondary. The National Supercomputing Mission is a collaboration between which two ministries? So think of it as something related to science and also something related to computers. A ministry, two ministries in fact.
Any guesses?
It's related to science and also related to computers. Okay, then I'll move on to the answer. The answer is the Ministry of Science and Technology and Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. Next question. Explain the image shown in the display. You might be really familiar with this one. In the labs, physics labs, ring any bell?
Come
In
on.
class 9 to 12, anyone? It's really easy. This conference was held in Brussels, I'm pretty sure, in Belgium. Solvay Conference, 1928.
You may have seen it in the physics lab.
Okay then. Next question. The given image shows Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee with important dignitaries displaying the victory symbol at a historically significant site. Which major event is associated with this moment? The picture also contains George Fernandez, the defense minister at the time, I believe, and also APJ Abdul Kalam. I'll give you a clue. Look at the background. Where the place is located in? An arid region, right? Think about nukes. Yes, that's correct. Please try to answer the question more often. She's from 6th A. Okay, please give her a big round of applause. That was a really good answer. He's from 8th A, right? So please try to answer. Tiwari is known for their work in the field of vaccine development, particularly for malaria. Recently got a Padma Shri award. Okay, so if you follow current affairs, I see there was a person who wanted to answer it, but unfortunately she or he didn't have the courage. Famous personality and hint is not the woman, it's the child. It's APJ Abdul Kalam, and he contributed our president from 2002 to 2007. He was known as the missile man, helped in development of ISRO, Prithvi missiles, Agni missiles, and we should learn more about him, and we should try to involve ourselves more in science and technology and be more interactive in quiz sessions like